Hi, Namaskara. So I'm from Bangalore. My name is Lasya Nagraj. I'm an actor from Bangalore. So today I'm at Goa International Film Festival IFFI, and it's the 53rd edition. This is my first experience in Goa IFFI, and it's been great for me personally because as an actor I get to learn so much. The amount of films that is played here or screened here, I don't get to watch it on a daily basis. I don't get to meet these directors or producers on a daily basis. So I think it's a great collaboration of a lot of people who keep their shoots aside, come here, and it's for a greater purpose, that is cinema, and all of us are pure cinema lovers. It's not for the entertainment or just the commercial or just the name and fame of it, but there are people who really love cinema and want to learn something, want to do something better in cinema each day. And it's very nice to see such passionate people here. So Rishabh Shetty is coming tomorrow, on 24th. So apparently Mani Ratnam sir was supposed to come, but in place of him, Rishabh Shetty is coming, and we are super proud that he's here. And of course, Kantara did phenomenally well. And if you haven't watched it, you have to definitely watch it, and you have to watch it in Kannada because the regional language is the original, and you cannot get that essence in any other language. The dubbed versions are there, which is great if you don't, if you can't follow subtitles. But my recommendation would be and suggestion would be for you to watch it in Kannada to understand it in the regional way it is made. And today I just attended Nawazuddin Siddiqui's masterclass, and it was superb. I was supposed to do a movie with Nawaz sir a couple of years ago. I missed it by a very slight chance, and I'm still waiting for an opportunity to act with him again. And I'm going for another masterclass with R. Balki sir and Gauri Shinde. It's at 5:30 today. And many more master classes I'm excited for, and many more movies. Yeah, it's been a great experience for me. Thank you.